Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the account settings or section on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the, TikTok and then click on your account or profile section. Click on these three lines and then go to the settings and privacy. So as you see here, we have this account and the account settings. So here we have the account information. So we can manage the phone number, the email, the date of birth, and the account region. Here we have the password if you want to change your password, the passkey. Here if you want to switch to business account, and here if you want to download your data, and also if you want to deactivate or delete your account. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.